right, good morning, good morning. No, good afternoon, good afternoon. It is October 11th, 2018. So this one is going to be just routine HVAC maintenance on house number one. This is the first house. Also a split system. Not much to do. There's two filters, a big one upstairs and a smaller one down in the basement. I'm hoping that the guy won't be here. It's a family of 5, one new baby, and I think the wife just went back to work, so I don't think she's going to be there. Husband works second shift. I think he starts at 3. It's 2 o'clock right now, so I don't know. Maybe he's gone, maybe not. I don't know. I may be able to video a little of it while I'm out in the garage, maybe. I don't know. We'll just have to see. So, yeah, that's about it. I will turn it back on if I can. Alright, so you can see here, this is just 2 months. Just a layer of dust. And it all depends on the house. This is a lot. They have 2 dogs. This is a lot. Terrible. But that's the reason I change it every 2 months. So I'll do the condensate drain flush here. Since nobody's here, I'll talk a little bit in a second. Alright, so here's the garage. Couple little puppies in there. One big puppy and one little. So it's packed full. This particular unit, about 2 weeks ago, the condenser, I'm sorry, the capacitor on the fan outside, or for the fan outside, went out. And when it did, the A coil froze. And when it finally cut off, everything thawed out, filled up the tray, and then ended up stopping up this line. This line runs all the way through, all the way down the wall, and then out there's the main sewer line there. So I had to bring a pump in and unclog the drain. So now, give it a good bleach flush. We're heading into fall, so we won't be sweating as much. Trying to see if I can hear it. No, it's not backing up just because it's not coming out, but okay, we'll leave it right there. These guys always pay on time. Really, really good tenants. They have 3 kids, which explains the little messiness they've got. Alright, well, that about does it for this one. Yeah, I don't think there's anything else to say about this one. This one's very simple. 2 filters, one upstairs, one downstairs. One downstairs is just for, if I understand right, pressurization for downstairs. It usually doesn't get too dirty, but anyhow, that's about it. On my way out, I'll do another quick little walkthrough.